30 days, $0, and one AI tool. What if I told you someone turned that into $5,000 online without any skills? Sounds fake? That's exactly what he thought too. He was broke, no job, no savings, just bills stacking up every single day. Scrolling his phone, watching others make money online, but he had no idea where to start. Until one random night, everything changed. He discovered something called AI. Not coding, not complicated, just simple tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and free websites. At first, he laughed. This can't make money. But then he made a decision. 30 days. Just try. No excuses. In the first 5 days, he used AI to create simple content, Instagram posts, blog ideas, captions. Then he went to Fiverr and offered small services. Price? Just $5. Days passed, no orders, but he didn't quit. He improved everything using AI, better titles, better descriptions, better offers. And then, his first order came in. Just $5, but it felt like $500. From day 6 to 15, things started changing. He worked smarter, used AI to complete tasks faster, started offering more services, copywriting, YouTube scripts, product descriptions. Slowly, he began earning $50, then $100, then even $200 a day. From day 16 to 25, he scaled even more. No investment, just consistency. He optimized his gigs, improved his workflow, and delivered faster than ever using AI. Clients kept coming back. Then came the final days. Day 26 to 30. He pushed harder, focused, stayed consistent, and by the end of 30 days, he made $5,000 from zero. No degree, no experience, just consistency and AI. The truth is, it's not about luck. It's about using the tools around you. Right now, AI is one of the biggest opportunities in the world, but most people are still ignoring it. So the question is, will you scroll or will you start? Because 30 days from now, your life could look completely different. Subscribe for more AI money strategies and start today.